Hello, my name is Juan Antonio. I'm gonna tell you why you must learn to code or program. The technology is everywhere, that's a reality. Behind many of these technologies there is code, there is a program that make it work. But what's coding for? What's the use of learning how to code? We are used to hear the importance of coding, but do we know what it is and what exactly it is for? In a simplified way, we could say that computer coding is a process through which the source code of computers programs is designed, encoded, and clean and protected. It is through this programming that the source code of our software are created. Following this code, programming is written, tested, and refined. Coding is a professional activity closely linked to engineering. It's a good option to train in this field whether you are not or are an engineer. In fact, among the skills most demanded by companies is coding. Today, there's a wide range of web programming courses, from very specific to more basic and short courses. Today, multifaceted profiles with technical knowledge are sought, despite being basic. Therefore, depending on the specialization you want to take, you can choose the course that best suits your training needs and your initial knowledge in the area. Programming benefits: increased opportunities to get a job. Companies demand different profiles, and the number of people trained does not cover the labor demand of companies in the technology sector. Also, our goal is not to work linked to engineering. It is interesting to train in these areas to make our CV or curriculum vitae more attractive and to be able to work more easily on companies of this type. Greater adaptation to daily needs. Technology is part of our lives and it will be more and more. Therefore, in order to make fully efficient use of technology, it is interesting to know how it works and how to modify it depending on the needs. Greater resolution capacity. Know a problem and be able to solve it easily through the real problem. It is a task that involves knowing the syntax of the coding language and how to handle it in order to solve problems efficiently. Support for entrepreneurship. Knowing this language can allow you to enhance your knowledge in other areas in order to strengthen and reinforce the growth and birth of other businesses. What will make entrepreneurship easier or more accessible with this type of extra knowledge? Currently, being an expert coder is one of the most demanded professions by companies around the world, thanks to the great advancement and introduction of web pages and apps on all kinds of devices, from mobiles to personal computers. Important thing is to carry out the most appropriate training to obtain a professional profile, very demanding in the labor market. Coding or programming can even ease your life, creating programs that can facilitate you with your daily activities or improve the functions of a smart house. By the way, needs a code to work. Learning how to code not only helps you with your programs and machines, but it might also boost your mind with decision making, critical thinking, and your patience, because you have to try each program until it works, and your reading, because if a program has an error, you need to read all your code to catch the error. Thanks.